DJM TV.
Sabi country people, una welcome to DJM TV, daily ogbonge tori for inside our ogbonge station, DJM TV. My name na Stanley Okocha. Na me wan nakuna the ogbonge tori when just dey shele now. Tori when just dey reach us now say former Presido Goodluck Ebele Jonathan don hold meeting with the People's Democratic Party PDP settlement think and plan committee sake of say to settle every matter when dey shele for inside the party. Sabi say some don dey waka around town say the former Presido don dey pack im bag from the People's Democratic Party PDP and don make better plan and preparation wan dive enter the All Progressive Congress APC when e be say na the party na im dey for government for the national level. And sake of say the 2023 Presido election when dey come, and as e be say some people don dey yarn say the APC don knack former Presido Goodluck Jonathan name down to contest with the governor of Kaduna State when im name be Malam Nasir El-Rufai for vice president for inside the APC when be All Progressive Congress Party when 2023 Presido election reach. As the matter dey go, the PDP settlement committee when e be say na the former Senate Presido for the 8th Niger Senate when still be the chairman for the committee come tweet for im ogbonge Twitter handle say as na part of their work to listen to every concern and gidigidi when e dey every of their member mind for their great party when e get the hashtag at official PDP Niger Settlement and Plan Committee, dem don meet with the former Presido His Excellency Goodluck Ebele Jonathan at GE Jonathan. Sake of say dem meet to ask am whether any gidigidi dey in mind and whether the when don dey run around town all this while whether na true. If so, wetin be the gidigidi when e dey in mind make e be say dey come settle am. For im side, na there the former Presido come yarn say im remain gidigba like rock of Gibraltar for inside the People's Democratic Party PDP, especially as e be say PDP na one party when e be say e dey coole for every of a member body. E come see yarn say the party People's Democratic Party PDP na one big party when e be say e dey carry every member of the party along. Na there e come see yarn say the when don dey fly say im wan dive comot from the People's Democratic Party to enter the All Progressive Congress APC say na one big lie wey im no know where e from come. Say but if anybody dey when e get am for mind say im go dive comot from the People's Democratic Party enter the All Progressive Congress, say make the person think am again, say because im na former Presido for Niger and because of that position when he don hold before and position when he come still dey hold for the world now, say im door dey open for any person when e be say e get one thing for mind or the other when e feel say e go fit meet am come yarn with am make e still give am help for solution matter. Say im dey free, say but that one no mean say once dem see anybody when e come from the opposition party the All Progressive Congress, that one go come mean say im wan begin pack im bag to dive enter inside the party. Remember say big ogas dem for inside the People's Democratic Party PDP be don dey carry some fear for inside their mind sake of say some APC or Progressive Congress big ogas dem don dey go yarn with the former president make dem see how e go take jump enter their party wey be APC. As the matter dey go, the chair of the PDP settlement committee still come yarn say the committee go do everything wey dem go fit do to make sure say dem do correct settlement for every of their member when e get one gidigidi or the other gidigidi for mind for the whole Naija. Sabi say the PDP arrange the party settlement and plan committee since last year when be 2020 and come make Dr. Bukola Saraki as the chair of the committee, while the other members come be one-time Senate Presido when his name be Ayim Pius Ayim, former governor of Cross River State when his name be Lie Imoke, former governor of Gombe State when his name be Alhaji Ibrahim Dakwambo, former governor of Katsina State when his name be Alhaji Ibrahim Shema, and Mulikat Akande when it be say all of them come be member of the committee. Country people, na there our tori as it take shele this time for knack ground. Until next time when we go still come on our way again, we want beg una and thank una for all the time when business don't take the watch us and they follow us. We want still beg una say make una like and comment for our videos as una dey watch am. Make una not still forget to subscribe to all our social media handles, all na DJM TV. Until we go meet again to give una the ogbonge tori wey go don shele. For that time, my name remain Stanley Okocha for DJM TV News. Una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask their questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV.